Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this fourth part of animals classification, we will be studying characteristics of six classes of subphylum Vertebrata. Subphylum Vertebrata is further classified into six classes. They are Cyclostomata, Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Let's see the characteristics of class Cyclostomata. These animals have jawless mouth provided with sucker. Means jaws are completely absent. Instead of jaws, there is a sucker by which they can obtain their nutrition. Their skin is soft and without any scale. Paired appendages are absent. Means small legs are completely absent. Endoskeleton is cartilaginous. Most of the animals are ectoparasites. Means they live on the body of another organism to obtain their nutrition. And with the help of sucker, they get attached themselves on the body of another organism for obtaining their nutrition. Examples are petromyzone and myxine. Let's see the characteristics of class Pisces. These animals are cold-blooded and hence they are called as poikilotherms. It means they change their body temperature as per the change in the surrounding. These are aquatic animals living in marine and fresh waters. Body is spindle shaped to minimize water resistance. As these animals live inside the water, so to swim their body is spindle shaped. They have paired and unpaired fins for swimming. Tail fin is useful as a steering organ during swimming. Means to change the direction. Exoskeleton is in the form of scales and endoskeleton is either cartilaginous or sometime bony. Respiration occurs with gills. Examples are rohu, pomfret, seahorse, shark, electric ray, stingray, etc. Let's study the characteristics of class Amphibia. These animals are strictly aquatic during larval life. It means after hatching larva from the egg, the development of larva completely it is done inside of the water only. Means complete development of larval stage is carried out inside the water and perform only aquatic respiration in the larval stage. Whereas they can live in water as well as on the land during adult life and can perform aquatic as well as aerial respiration. They have two pairs of appendages. Digits are without claws, means muscular membrane is absent in between two digits. Exoskeleton is absent. Skin is without any derivative and usually kept moist for respiration. External air is absent, but tympanum is present. It means air drum is present in the form of tympanum. Neck is absent and eyes are prominent with eyelids, means bigger in size. Examples are frog, toad, salamander, etc. See the characteristics of next class, Reptilia. According to the course of animal evolution, these are first true terrestrial animals with creeping movement. These are cold-blooded, that they are poikilotherms. They creep on the land as their body cannot be lifted up. Their skin is dry and scaly. Neck is present between head and trunk. External air is absent. Digits are provided with claws, means muscular membrane is present in between two digits. Examples are tortoise, lizard, snake, etc. Next class is class Aves. Let's see the characteristics of this class. These animals are completely adapted for aerial life. These are warm-blooded animals, means they are homeotherms. It means they can maintain their body temperature constant in spite of any change in the atmospheric temperature. Their body is spindle shaped to minimize air resistance during flight. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Digits are covered with scales and bear claws. Exoskeleton is present in the form of feathers. Neck is present between head and trunk. Jaws of these animals are modified into beak. Examples are peacock, parrot, pigeon, duck, penguin, etc. The last class is class Mammalia. Let's see the characteristics of this class. Presence of mammary glands is typical character of Mammalia. It means because of mammary glands, these animals are able to feed their children through their milk. These animals are warm-blooded, that they are homeotherms, means they can maintain their body temperature always constant. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Digits are provided with nails, claws or hooves. Exoskeleton is in the form of hairs or fur. Examples are elephant, human, kangaroo, dolphin, bat, etc.